Oriental beetles are non-native beetles that were accidentally introduced in the US in the 1920s. These widespread beetles feed on the leaves and petals of plants, but the real damage is done by their larvae. The larvae devour the roots of grass, killing turf and creating bare patches and lawns. In this video, we'll go over how to spot Oriental beetle activity, how to control these pests, and how to prevent infestations in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Oriental beetles are small, oval-shaped beetles that grow to be about half an inch long. They possess hard, glossy exoskeletons that can be solid black or mottled black and brown in color, and their heads are usually dark brown in color. Their legs are spiny, and their antennae have club-shaped tips that fan into 3 segments. The larvae, or grubs, curl their soft bodies into a C shape. They're a cream-white color with darker heads, they have 6 legs, and they measure up to 1 inch long when fully grown. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Oriental beetles are found along the eastern United States. They frequently create problems in lawns and golf courses, and the adult beetles can feed on various ornamental plants, including roses and petunias. Adult beetles typically lay their eggs in moist soil around July. After hatching, the grubs feed on the roots of grass and other plants until the soil cools in September. By then, the grubs will have traveled up to 17 inches beneath the soil surface to overwinter. When the soil warms back up in spring, the grubs move back towards the surface to resume feeding. Once mature, they pupate and emerge as adult beetles from June to July. Grub damage appears as irregular patches of wilted, yellowing, or thinning grass that may look drought-stressed. These areas won't recover even after proper watering. As grubs feed, they sever the roots, making the grass easy to lift up like loose carpet. Adult beetles feed on the leaves and petals of ornamental plants, leaving behind round holes in the plant's foliage. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To control Oriental beetles and other beetles on your property, apply an insecticide like Dominion 2L. Dominion 2L is a neonicotinoid that acts as a neurotoxin to insects. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. To drive the product into the soil and reach the grubs, you can use the solution's hose end sprayer. Mix and apply the labeled rate of 0.46 to 0.6 fluid ounces of product per 2 gallons of water over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Treat ornamental plants from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces, then broadcast your solution evenly over your lawn and plant beds. Spray to the point of wet but not runoff. After application, rainfall or irrigation must occur to drive the product into the soil. Grubs in the soil and adult beetles that land on foliage will make contact with the product and die out. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Reduce the conducive conditions that support pest activity by maintaining the health of your lawn. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. Finally, remember to make regular reapplications of Dominion 2L. Grubs start hatching in July, so the best time to make your initial application is around May, before the eggs are laid and hatched. Afterwards, make applications every 3 months to maintain protection from surface and subsurface insects throughout the year. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop Oriental beetles from killing your grass, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.